Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone failed attestation status problem. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in msinfo32. Now here, look for baseboard product. In my case, is B450. And you want to copy this or remember it. Now you want to open a new Chrome tab, go to YouTube, click on search and type in whatever it says for use. For me, it's B450 gaming Pro, and then type in secure boot and look for a video that corresponds to your motherboard. In my case, I'll show you my video for my motherboard. You can look for your motherboard, how to do it.
What you want to do is go advanced, find Windows OS configuration, enter that, change this. If it's on CSM, change it to UEFI. Once you change it, restart the computer again and enter BIOS again, and then go to secure boot. Change this to standard. It will be on like custom. This, change it to standard, and then like change this to enabled, and then restart it again, and it should work.
And after you've done that, you want to restart your PC and then boot the Call of Duty Warzone, and the game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Call of Duty Warzone failed attestation status. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.